Ever pondered the secret to achieving a brighter, more radiant complexion right from the comfort of your home? Welcome to the world of skin whitening, a realm of beauty that goes beyond merely lightening one's skin tone. It's about evening out skin discolorations, reducing dark spots, and achieving a luminous glow. Kickstart this journey with understanding the basics of skin whitening. It's a process of using natural or synthetic substances to lighten skin tone or provide an even skin complexion by reducing the melanin concentration in the skin. The key here is to pursue a safe and healthy routine that respects your skin's natural integrity. Embarking on a skin whitening routine at home begins with cleansing. A clean canvas is essential for the absorption of the whitening products. Opt for a gentle, hydrating cleanser. Remember, harsh cleansers can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Next, exfoliate. This step is all about sloughing off dead skin cells that cause dullness, paving the way for brighter skin. Twice a week is a good frequency, but always listen to your skin and adjust accordingly. Then comes the core of the routine, the whitening treatment. Natural ingredients like lemon juice, honey, and yogurt are popular choices as they are rich in skin-brightening properties. A simple yet effective recipe is mixing equal parts of these three ingredients and applying the mixture to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Also, consider incorporating a whitening serum into your daily routine. Ingredients to look out for are vitamin C, kojic acid, and licorice root extract. They are potent antioxidants that can brighten skin and decrease melanin production. Moisturizing, of course, is crucial. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Opt for a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type, and remember, even oily skin needs hydration. Lastly, never forget sun protection. Sun exposure can reverse your skin whitening efforts by increasing melanin production. Therefore, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen every day, even if you plan to stay indoors. In conclusion, a home skin whitening routine involves cleansing, exfoliating, applying a whitening treatment, using a whitening serum, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun. It's a journey that requires consistency and patience. But with time, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your skin's brightness and overall complexion. Remember, skin whitening is not about changing who you are, but about enhancing your natural beauty and boosting your confidence. So, embrace this journey with an open mind and a loving heart for your skin. After all, it's the only skin you'll ever have.